Guys, how's it going? Let's talk about an issue that a lot of Chevy owners of trucks and SUVs have, and that's the Chevy Shake. I think that's what it's unofficially called, is the Chevy Shake. We're gonna go through a list of we're gonna diagnose this, and we're gonna figure out what it actually is. A lot of people, most people actually think it's an engineering issue with the frame. There's something off the frame when it's driven at a certain speed. It starts shaking, and sometimes it would get worse. Other people think it might be some kind of issue with the engine, but there's no noticeable check engine light or anything that would point to it being anything other than maybe the structural makeup of the vehicle. So one person has a 2018 High Country with around 30,000 miles and experienced a shake that started for a couple weeks and progressively got worse. And apparently some days it wouldn't do it, and others it would do it all the time when they drive it. And if they have their cruise control on, they would experience it at a different speed. And this person would take it to the dealership and reference a service bulletin, and they said it might be the torque converter, and the fix was probably to drain the fluid and fill the transmission with an updated fluid. And that's essentially what they did. And after leaving the dealership, they drove about 60 miles and did not experience the shake anymore, and the ride for them felt a lot better. So I don't know if that's a help for a lot of people, but seems like something you guys could do if you guys are looking to maybe trying to fix this problem. Another person has a Chevy Tahoe, 2002 Tahoe, that shook between 70 and 75 miles per hour. Again, not all the time, but a lot of times during those speeds. And couldn't figure out exactly what the issue was. Another person had a 2015 Silverado 6.22 double cab, purchased it like new, and they think it's probably the transmission issue, is where all the vibration is coming from. Wasn't quite sure about whether it's transmission or not, but if you guys think it is the transmission, definitely just leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if it's the thing that fixed the issue for you guys. There's quite a lot of opinions on this matter. A lot of people just really don't have the answer for it. Some people did a couple of things, seem to have helped the issue. If you guys have done whatever you guys have done, definitely leave a comment and let us know whether that's the thing that fixed your issue. So another person changed the drive shaft and noticed that it drove a little bit better. Maybe that could work. Somebody else installed U-joints for the front and back and said that had helped a bit. Other people think that it's an absolute frame vibration, and that they had some loosened bolts because of the vibration. So we're just basically just talking about this shake. It'd be great if I had an answer for you, but to be honest with you, this shake really doesn't have anything to do with, for the most part, an issue with the engine. Some people say it's an issue with the transmission. You guys could actually try to do that, but you guys won't get any kind of codes for it. Other people have tried different sets of wheels, and you guys could do that. It might help you guys. Other people have this other person had a Z71 with an extended cab and had some front end suspension vibration. They took it to the dealership and they said that the upper control onboard joints were bad. So they bought some upper and lower control arms, tie rods, and essentially changed out the whole entire suspension, and essentially still had the same issue as they did before. Funny enough, somebody has a 2020 Silverado crew cab, and even on a truck that's that new, they still had this shake, but they said it wasn't as bad because they had put some weight on the cab for whatever they were hauling around, and it seemed to control the shake of the truck. I gotta tell you guys this: if you guys have bought a vehicle that new, there shouldn't be any kind of issues with shaking or anything like that. Other people have suggested getting a level kit, and have said that doing a level kit, after a while the pinion angle on the rear end head moved so slightly, so they adjusted that and tightened everything up really well, and had not had that issue since. But as you guys can see, this isn't one of those issues that everybody has kind of a consensus on what specifically causing it. So there's just a variety of things that people have done to try to figure out what the issue was. Some of them fixed it, others have not. Some people have tried the suspension, it has not fixed it. Other people have said that it's mostly the frame of the vehicle, but it doesn't actually affect the driving of the vehicle, as outside of just having some shaking inside the vehicle. But in any case, if you guys know exactly what this is, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys think it is, how you guys fixed it, and whether it's come back or not. In any case, please leave a comment in the comment section. It could help somebody else out. If you have a question, leave a question in the comment section. Somebody could help you guys out with an answer. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.